Hi, I'm Nathan from Eden Water Garden. Today I will go to Houston, Texas to build koi pond for my client. At the moment, I sit at my sister's backyard to enjoy the koi pond we built a few years ago. This koi pond is a gift from a son to his parents. After talking with me over the phone about the ecosystem pond, he decided to choose to build the koi pond for his parents. After finished digging, we install underlayment and liner to the pond. Then the construction fish cave for fish to hide from predators. We use over 4 pallets of moss rock boulder to build the pond and using river rock as mortar to keep them in place. River rock and gravel also create room for beneficial bacteria to live and filter the water better. After finished 2 layers of wall rocks inside the pond, we start building the waterfalls. The most attractive part of every water feature, and also a place where birds come to drink and bath on hot summer days. After finished 3-step waterfalls, we complete the last wall rocks using soil to hide all the liner, plant flowers and junipers around the waterfalls. The pond is finished. Let me show you the result.